I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself. Takes me back to the time. You set my world on fire.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you are good. Welcome to Kamsi Space. You know these beautiful faces? Yeah, are you seeing these beautiful faces for the first time? Yeah, my name is Kamsi and here with me is yeah. Hey guys, you're highly welcome to our channel. If this is the first time in this channel and you like our video, please do consider to subscribe, comment, like and share. And to our returning subscribers, wow, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support and for watching our videos and also sharing our videos. Yeah guys, in today's video is quite different. Yes, I just came back from village, came back from my hometown. I got a lot of things, guys. Yeah, I want to cook breadfruit. Yeah, it's popularly known as okwa in Igbo language. So in my previous video, I cooked porridge breadfruit, but this one is different, guys. Look at what I am going to cook today. And then did you wash your hand?
You wash your hands.
Of course I did. So guys, this is breadfruit. The one I cooked before was peeled. See, as you can see, this one have not been removed. The skin has not been removed. Okay, so you can only remove this when you parboil it, allow it to dry. You remove the skin and cook, pick it and cooked. But this one still have its skin. So I'm going to show you another way of enjoying breadfruit. Okay, yeah guys, I can't peel it out because it's not yet parboiled. The skin is too hard, so I'm trying to peel it out. You check very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook it in a local way. I have a local potash here. This potash is gotten from palm fronds. So you know, when the palm fronds are dry, you burn them. After burn, you get the ash. So this is ash. Okay, so I'm going to use it to cook the okwa. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to pour water into this ash. The quantity of water that will be enough for the okwa. Yeah. You're getting it very well. I'm going to pour the quantity of water that will be enough for the okwa. So after that, I will sieve it into a pot.
Your hand is dirty.
Mine dirty. Yeah, that is the ash. It's mixed with sand. So definitely my hand has to change color. Okay? What color is this, Sarah?
Black.
Is this black or gray?
And grey. No, don't quite on me.
See this one. See this one. here to see. Zara, you are here. You talk to me. I'm going to sieve this into the pot. Okay. Yeah. Now, wait. Now I'll add the breadfruit into it and cook it. So this local potash will help soften the skin so that you can eat it like that without removing the skin. And it will give it one kind natural taste, one kind local taste. So now I'm going to put it on heat and allow it to get done, to soften.
Just wait for it and it will be done.
Okay. Zara is telling us wait until it is done. So I'm going to put it on heat right now. I think we'll give it like 30 minutes for it to get done. So let's continue, guys. Yeah, guys, please bear with me. There was power outage and I have to switch on the generator. So if you listen very well, you will hear the generator noise. So please bear with me. So at this moment, I want to check the breadfruit. Yeah. See it? It's done. It's done. So I'm gonna wash it now. So I'll pour it in the sieve first.
Set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So guys, after I finish washing it, I'm going to prepare it with oil bean. So you can prepare it like that. You can chew it like that with coconut or palm kernel, depending the one you want. Or you can mix it like the way you prepare abacha. So I'm going to prepare it like the way we prepare abacha with oil bean. Guys, you're gonna enjoy it. This is one of our best local delicacy. You know, I'm a local woman, so I deal with local food. I don't joke with local food, honestly. Yeah, guys, I want to prepare the ncha for the breadfruit and the oil bean. Like I said, I'm going to add the two. So this is the ash. I want to mix it up. So this ash is standing as a thickener, potash. I don't want to use potash. I'm using this instead for the incha. Okay, incha. Add oil. This is what you use to prepare abacha or oyinbin. Oba. So I'm going to pour it in a bigger bowl so it will contain the oyinbin and the oba. Yeah, I put the pepper and the chopped onion. Now I'm going to add the oyinbin. Now I have to add the oyinbin. Now I'm going to add the breadfruit. Yeah guys, this is our village food. This is very delicious as well. It's very, very rich in protein. Yeah guys, the local delicacy is ready. Yeah guys, this is another style of African food. Call it African salad, call it African bread, African offer. Yeah, it's another way of enjoying your breadfruit. Okay, yeah, I know you love this video. If you really do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. See you in our next video. Bye. Oh, Zara is here. You did it before.
Share to your family, share to your friends.
Of enjoying breadfruits with the skin. Okay, this is another part of it. You can call it African breadfruits or African okpa or African salad okpa. Yeah guys, I know you really love this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.
Bye.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.